Hi, folks.
Hi,
You are seeing MG and
and
Gauri.
Gauri.
They are a very happy couple thanks to Ruma.
Oh, we couldn't be happier. This is the nicest place we've been in the last 2 months.
2 months, I thought the best thing which has ever happened after our grandson was born.
Oh, sure. I agree.
You know, in the last 10 weeks, we have dropped 11 kgs. You?
7 kgs.
7 kgs. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. And to think that I have been carrying 11 kgs of my weight wherever I went, every second of my day, and now I have less load to carry. Boom.
The nicest part of losing these 7 kgs is all the clothes which I have outgrown are now fitting me so well, and also now I'm motivated to get a whole new wardrobe.
And I'm going to send the invoice to Ruma. She has to pay for my new t-shirts, my new track pants, my trousers, my shirts, for your tops. The invoice is going to her, definitely. And the best part of the thing is, my wife sleeps better every day. I get a sound 7 hours of sleep because of all the workouts and the energy that we spend, the metabolism rate being so high. I sleep with less snoring, which means
MG had sleep apnea problems, so his snoring was phenomenal, and he used to be very restless, never got good sleep. What this workout has done, what this program has done is given MG excellent sleep at night, and because he sleeps well, I sleep very well. So we just know that our head hits the pillow at around 11. Next thing we know is 6 a.m. in the morning. We don't even remember our dreams.
unbelievable. Trust me, when I used to sleep, all the carnivores, predators in the jungles would be roaming around in the bedroom of mine, thundering and roaring and whatnot. And above all, waistline. Come on, have a heart. My waistline has come down. Where's my tummy? I think I must file a first information report to the police station saying my tummy is lost. Go, please find it.
That's the cosmetic value. Now, what the other benefit which we have got out of it, a wonderful thing I would say, is that we are both chronic acidity patients.
Yeah.
Now we don't have antacid at home.
No Gelusil. Gelusil, no more bills on that famous Gelusil which we used to have every night.
It was almost like we used to have a nightcap before we used to go to sleep. We were that bad.
Okay.
Now it's completely gone.
Now, what works for us? One is this excellent meal plan Ruma gave us. It was not difficult to follow. Yes, small sacrifices. I had to give up filter coffee, right? I had to give up the filter coffee, and I had to give up white rice. You know, the famous white rice for a South Indian, what more sacrifice can he make? But considering the weight loss and all the benefits that I got, I think it was more than worth it. And she has given us a substitute. Millet rice, lots of vegetables, and the meal plan is excellent.
And very, very doable, and it's so closely aligning with the kind of meals we used to eat earlier.
Yeah.
So it is not deviated from what we used to eat or our food style which we had earlier before we joined this program. So it's not at all difficult. It's very sustainable. Yes, I miss my chai, but that's a small price to pay for what we have gained out of this.
Yeah, and it's not that she is saying that you drop the oil, no frying, none of that stuff, right? I mean, it's just like otherwise business as usual. And the workout plans, tailor-made, week after week, different. And and it's, by the way, it's not that simple, huh?
But enjoyable. And we love our weighing machine now. Can you believe that?
Yeah, earlier I used to kick it because it was disobeying me. It was my worst enemy. Now I love my weighing machine. And last, we worked together. We
Yes.
watch each other's back, right?
Yes.
So working together, that nice feeling of doing something which is enjoyable, purposeful, and result-oriented. That's
And together,
Yeah, and
that's
together.
the nicest part of it. It gives us a lot of together time, and since everything else is related to this workout and to this fitness, the meals, the food, the exercise, and whatever, so there's so much time we spend together, then that has really, really been so good for us.
So, folks, bye bye. And 3 cheers to Ruma and her Navite program.
Join us. This is the nicest place to be.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.